On 21st of November, first Foundation Day of Kronjang get-together meet was observed at the residence of Harsing Teron Habe, Hanthor village under Bithung-Rengthama constituency. The ceremony of the first Foundation Day of Kronjang Get-Together Committee was chaired by Rupon Singh Teron, President of Kronjang Get-Together Committee, and the objectives of the meeting was briefed by Harsing Teron, Secretary of Kronjang Get-Together Committee. It was informed that during the meeting, it was discussed about the history and existence of Teron clan within the Karbi community, how it was derived and what were the roles of this particular clan into the Karbi community. It was told that Teron clan were the primitive clan of the Karbi community to be blessed with the knowledge of rice. Hence, Teron Rongsupo was the first human to be blessed with the knowledge of rice. Later, it was distributed among the fellow clans of the Karbi community.
Nitum kacupang rum nang kok alam the bange la henlo lada karbi kur phong bong pen stami teronasor stami kalang lo lasi labang so melong kaching vai pon bom lo pen kaje than pon bangke lada ka bangke nokhum lo te nokhum lo aka prek alam chi than bon pe rat chari ahin pon pe lada pini ame kaje tong bangke
Kronjang ching rum ame nengkan isi kepleng lo Nasini litum matalo Kronjang chingrum chun bang la pen ke mai phu atum kadu gabe litum achingwai bang song litum ta karbi kur phong bong ke teron tum ta isi nohum mate teron tum ta kur kang thim pena pot litum ta Kronjang chingrum po litum ta chipudulong ya phan litum pini thot ako dag litum rongkhang longri krihini do ni tum dak nokbari bupe ba umaha bupe kiling bupe unarong ci bupe pen sen tum la nokum trop korti ni pen ni pulu ni pesarap ni putum pen tum chehang lo.
Mohan Teron's report from Kiruni for Karbi Anglong Live.